How to find Sound ID on Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you need to launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, search for create.roblox.com/store/models. Then hit on the models option, and at the bottom you will find categories. Select on the audio option for it. In here, you will find various of genres, vibes, sound effect, and more. Select on the category that you prefer. You will find a list of audio that you can select from. Tap on the down arrow and select on More Info. At the top of the screen in your copy URL button, you will find a number or a code. This is actually your Sound ID. You can easily retrieve or copy the Sound ID for the purpose you want to use it for. Isn't it quick and simple? We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon. Until then, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.